Zay, what's poppin'?
What is going on, YouTube? My name is ZayWayYT and I'm back with another video. We're doing my game room tour, going over everything I got in my game room as well as some more stuff I'm gonna add. I think my game room is pretty sweet. Not gonna lie, it's still not done yet. I still have plenty of things to do, but let's get right into it. So starting off, I don't actually watch myself. I just turned this on for the video so y'all could subscribe, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. But first off is my LED strip lights. One strip of light and you kind of design them however you want. So I went kind of with this squiggly pattern, and it has a few different modes as well. Change the colors, style, design. This gives me like candy cane vibes. I usually leave it on this one, get a good pop of color in here. So bringing it over to this light here, this one right here, a lot of people ask me about the most. This is a sunset lamp on TikTok. So if you've ever been watching my stream or you've seen the YouTube video and it's at night, you've seen this light. Wasn't expensive, like only like $10, like on the TikTok shop the plug, man. TikTok shop is also where I got these lights too. So if you want to find those, LED strip light. I think I got like the longest length. I couldn't tell you what length this is. It might be 12 feet maybe, I'm not sure. But back over here, got the Xbox controllers for anybody who won't smoke on any game. It states you can't duck the smoke either, being that there's crossplay. Got my TV stand down here. A whole bunch of miscellaneous items, another laptop. Oh, and since I'm down here, I got, oh, good job, knocking everything over. Since I'm down here, I got some good decor, man, that I need to hang up. I got all of these license plates. Arizona, Florida, Washington, Louisiana, South Carolina, California. Probably throw these up there somewhere. Some nice little room decor. Even got this Williamsburg plate here. Another thing people ask me about is this futon right here. This is a futon. Let me show y'all. This is not my blanket, by the way. This is Nico's. Got this for free $99 on the Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is clutch. All right, back to some more of the decor. I'm gonna turn the light on so y'all can see it, but this nice shadow box that my mom made, how sweet. Look at this. Look at me and my boy Reem. Newspaper articles. Every time I was in the paper, you see me. Isaiah Harmon 6 catches, 65 yards. Light work. And y'all see me, man. Top 50 in the class of 2018 in Hampton Roads. 38, baby. You see me. All right, enough of that. Going on to some more wall decor. I got some jerseys up here. I did have a Tom Brady high school jersey right here, and then I moved it because I was doing some, you know, redecorations, but a jersey is going back up here, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be the Zach Hyman Oilers jersey or if I'm gonna put the Brady jersey back up here. But Chesapeake All-Star baseball jersey, number 8, Kobe. Then I have my Senior Bowl jersey, Team 757 over the Team 804, and that number 12 jersey. Then I have my FBU. This is like middle school All-Stars National Championship in the Texas burnt orange with the 8 again. Or wall art that I need to put up. This, man, I had to be like 10 years old right here. Look at me, Pops. Yankees, man. This is when I first started pitching, man. I was like 10 years old. You know, if you don't have an air purifier, I don't know what you're doing. And I have mine set to allergen because I do be having allergies. It's not focusing, but I have mine set to allergen. I be sneezing. Going back, my shoe rack. This is like an essential. I feel like you have to have one of these. If you got a good amount of shoes, you gotta have these. These aren't all my shoes in here. This is probably like the 12 that I have in rotation. Got 2 more down here. And then I got like a couple more boxes in here. So I fell off, man. I used to be the shoe plug, man. I haven't been locked in with the shoes like I used to. Coming down here, the mini fridge. This mini fridge is clutch. I need to stock back up on the waters. I'd have waters, juice, Gatorades, all type of stuff in here, but I need to stock up, man. Look how cold this bottle is. You can probably see through this video how cold this bottle is right now. Not really a part of the game room, but this bag is tough. This right here, this always stays on me, my camera bag. Got a football in here, chrome, you see me. But going to the desk, because that's really what's the most important out of everything. Before I do that, I do have some more Venus fly traps. I know a lot of y'all seen my fly traps last year, so I did get another set of fly traps. The ones I had, I put them into dormant mode, and then it was just too much work to get them out of dormancy. So yeah, RIP the first set of Venus fly traps. But it's summertime, they're thriving. So it's a lot of stuff, but it's a lot of detail on this desk. So of course, you know, I got my laptop, be having my stream up here, editing videos. Got the monitor. It's like I got the 3-screen setup right here. I'm over here. I could be over here watching the game on this TV, playing the game on this, looking something up on this. Got a multitask. A little mug shot right here. Chicago bean, man. Just went to Chicago recently. This is like my Q50 side. Got my emblem. If you've been keeping up my car mods, I got an all black LED one now. This is before I put a lot of the mods up there. And then this is where I did a Polaroid of when I had my Christmas lights. The picture came out super dark, but hey, Polaroid film expensive, can't be wasting that. So, over here, this LED ring light, which I am gonna turn off, is held up by 2 Coca-Cola bottles, bro. This is from when I went to the Coca-Cola factory, but it's like, I don't have a stand. I need to get the stand I had, it's too tall, like it's not short enough. So I had to improvise and I used 2 Coca-Cola bottles. Coming over this way, I won this at Dave & Buster's and it was supposed to light up like a moon in the sun, but it's janky and it don't work, which I can't expect anything less from a Dave & Buster's gift. Coming over, my wax melter, man. Gotta smell good in here. It always smells clean in here. This is what I'm rocking. It smells like a blanket in here, no cap. It smells like a blanket. Has the solar system in here. This had a light projection, but I don't have any more outlet. Oh man, I have another Coca-Cola bottle up here. I have my Baby Yoda, Mandalorian, and Darth Vader. These are like kind of like coffee mugs, but right now they're baseball holders. Got an all-star game baseball. So like I told y'all, I started pitching in 2010. Threw my first no-hitter in 2012. No-hitter May 19th, 2012, game ball. Legit, man. Got another baseball in here as well. Got a little football frame. And then Nico got me this right here. It's like a baseball and hearts with in the seams. It's tough. Going across my cause drawing. I actually drew this, man. Drew the cause drawing and then I made this one right here with some molding clay. This is tough. I was in my bag with this one. Going over, man, you see I got my Bear Patriots teddy bear with the Bill Belichick hoodie up there. Y'all see him, he jerked out. This is Bill Belichick right here. My racing helmet, Hyman up there. Little NASCAR helmet. Out here, some more miscellaneous items. BGC Sports Network, man, check us out. Link in the description. The MEAC Homecoming Media Pass. This is a grail right here. This is gonna be a grail, man. My YouTube blow up, man. I might, you know, auction this off. Got this Lego right here as well. Mercedes SLS with the drop top. And then you see me. Don't let nobody walk in here. It's gonna be a problem for real. They gonna have to see me. It's gonna be a real problem. I don't wanna have to pull it out, but you know, I see, always got it close though. But yeah, but really the last thing I need in here that would really make it complete, I need to get me a rug. Once I get me a rug, I'm gonna throw those license plates to fill up this empty space, and then I'll have a lot of the empty space covered. A rug and something to fill that up, man, and then my room would be official. Full body fit pick mirror right here, man. Gotta take the fits right here. When you put on the fresh fit, you gotta have a full body mirror. Gonna wrap it up, y'all. Make sure y'all drop a like, leave a comment. Is the game room valid? And of course, subscribe if you haven't. I'm out.
Zay, what's poppin'?